In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for insurance keywords fast and easy. Let's dive right in and get you up to speed on how you can utilize this powerful tool to enhance your keyword research strategy in the insurance domain. First things first, head over to your preferred search engine and type in Google Trends. You're looking for the link that takes you directly to Google Trends' homepage. And usually, it's the first result. Click on that link, and you'll find yourself in an intuitive interface that's streamlined for ease of navigation. Next, look for the Explore button, usually located on the main page. Clicking on this will open up a whole range of data you can sift through. Before we go any further, it is important to set your location. Now, depending on your target market, you can either choose worldwide for a global perspective or select a specific country where you're aiming to do business. This helps tailor the data to the areas most pertinent to your needs. With the preliminary setup done, it's time to enter your insurance-related keywords. Think broad at first. Common terms such as car insurance, life insurance, health insurance, and travel insurance are great starting points. After keying these into the search bar, simply press Enter. This action will pull up a trend graph displaying how these terms are performing over time. Now, depending on what insights you're hoping to gain, you can select a time range to view data. For example, selecting the past 12 months will give you an understanding of recent keyword demand, whereas selecting the past 5 years will provide insights into long-term trends. This feature is excellent for discerning if certain key terms are on the rise or decline. Scrolling down the page, you'll encounter a section called Interest by Region. This is invaluable for identifying geographic areas with the highest search activity for insurance-related terms. It can help you pinpoint exactly where your marketing efforts might yield the best returns. Further down, you'll find Related Topics and Related Queries. These sections reveal additional keywords that are gaining traction or experiencing a surge in interest. Be on the lookout for terms marked as rising or breakout, as these could provide opportunities to capitalize on niches such as cheap car insurance or term life insurance. Finally, if you want to do a side-by-side comparison of different keywords, you can use the Plus Compare feature. By adding more insurance types like life insurance versus disability insurance, you can visually compare which terms garner more interest and show better growth potential. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Google Trends effectively for your insurance keyword strategies. This tool not only aids in gaining insights, but also helps optimize your marketing and content focus. So, give it a try and see how it can boost your understanding of insurance market trends. Happy researching!